In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable background play of videos in Brave browser. If you've ever wanted to keep watching or listening while you switch tabs or move to another app, this is a quick built-in way to do it using Brave's picture-in-picture feature. I'll walk you through it and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your Brave browser. Any recent desktop version of Brave on Windows, macOS, or Linux will work. If you keep Brave up to date, you'll have the smoothest experience and the most reliable media controls. Next, head to YouTube or any video site you like. Picture-in-picture works with most standard HTML5 players, so popular platforms are usually fine. If you run into a site where the option seems missing, it may be because the site uses a custom player that limits certain controls, but most mainstream sites should support it. Now choose the video you want to play in the background. Let it start playing so the browser recognizes the active media. If you notice an ad is showing, wait for it to finish so you can access the video's regular controls. Set the volume and quality the way you want before you pop it out. Those settings carry over to the floating window. With the video playing, right-click directly on the video area. On some sites, such as YouTube, the first right-click opens the site's own menu. If you see that, simply right-click again in the same spot to bring up the Brave or System Video menu. You'll know you've got the right one when you see options related to the browser rather than the site. From that menu, click Picture-in-Picture. The video will pop out into a small, always-on-top window. You can drag this window anywhere on your screen and resize it by pulling from the edges or corners. It will keep playing even if you switch tabs or minimize the browser, which effectively gives you background play. The mini window includes simple controls like play and pause, and on many sites, you'll also see a button to jump back to the original tab. If you prefer a nearly audio-only experience, shrink the window down and tuck it to the edge of your screen. Some versions of Brave also show a small media control in the toolbar or address bar. Clicking that does the same thing as selecting Picture-in-Picture. When you're done, close the floating window or pause the video in its original tab. That's all there is to it. Quick, reliable background play with Brave's built-in picture-in-picture.